Cleanrooms can save a ton of energy without risking safety. Let's break down how it's done. Okay, get this. A cleanroom uses 10 to 100 times more energy than a regular office building.
So, what's the main culprit? It's the HVAC system, running 24/7 just to keep the air pure.
That presents a huge challenge, right? How do you balance strict safety standards with sustainability goals?
But here's the thing, it's not a trade-off. The secret isn't cutting safety, it's all about precision.
And that first step to precision? Well, you literally have to see the invisible air.
We do this with something called airflow visualization, a smoke study, to map those currents.
The whole point is to find and fix problem spots like dead zones, turbulence, or overventilated areas.
Using the right tools like ultra-pure foggers is absolutely critical. No contaminants, no residues left behind.
Okay, so once you've mapped the air, you can finally start making your HVAC system much smarter.
One of the biggest upgrades is switching to variable frequency drives, or VFDs, from those old, wasteful fans.
With VFDs, you can safely slash air change rates during off-peak hours, sometimes by up to 50%.
Want to take it to the next level? Demand-controlled filtration. The system only filters when it needs to.
Here's another big one. Just slightly widening your humidity range can save a ton of energy.
So what's the bottom line? This whole strategy is completely data-driven. You have to measure everything.
Yeah, there's an upfront cost, but the payoff is huge. Lower bills, better efficiency, the whole package.
And look, this isn't just about saving money. It's about setting a whole new industry standard. So you gotta ask yourself, is your cleanroom running efficiently, or is it just stuck on overdrive?